Understanding, teacher, thank you, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a very common and polite phrase in English. Teacher, thank you. This phrase is not just about its literal meaning, but also about the culture of politeness and respect in English-speaking environments. Whether you're in a classroom or interacting with a mentor, understanding this phrase will improve your communication skills. Let's dive in. Teacher, thank you, is a phrase used to express gratitude. It is composed of two key elements. Teacher, which addresses the person you are speaking to, and thank you, a basic expression of thanks. This phrase is commonly used in educational settings but can be adapted in various contexts where learning and guidance are involved. You can use this phrase in many situations. For example, when a teacher answers a question, explains a concept, or helps you with a problem. It's a sign of respect and appreciation. The tone should be sincere and respectful. A smile and eye contact can add to the warmth of your expression. In many English-speaking cultures, showing respect to educators and mentors is very important. By saying, "Teacher, thank you," you're not just thanking them for their immediate help but also acknowledging their ongoing role in your education and growth. It's a small phrase that carries significant weight in building a respectful learning environment. While teacher, thank you, is straightforward, there are variations. You can say, "Thank you, Mr. Per Mega Second," last name, or simply, "Thanks for your help." These variations convey the same respect and gratitude but can be used in different levels of formality. Teacher, thank you, is more than just a phrase. It's a reflection of respect and appreciation in the learning process. Whether you're in a classroom, online course, or any learning environment, using this phrase appropriately can greatly enhance your relationships and communication. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and using teacher, thank you. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.